What's going on, everyone? I want to welcome you into the video. I want to share with you a couple of incredible trades that I was able to take for over 30% gains. When I locked them in, these stocks are still running, but let's go ahead and navigate through them. So first off, yesterday evening, I called for an FLJ swing. This was a recent Chinese stock that had run super high up just a couple of days before and went all the way up to 275, and I noticed it coming back all the way down to this 78.6 fib level. I started going back in the chart and I noticed that every time it went underneath this level, it hit at least the 61.8 fib. And then also going back a little bit more, we saw this one back in December of 2023 go all the way up to the 50% extension. So I had also seen, what gave me really my main confluence area on the trade beyond that, was that it was also in a 1 hour long demand zone. So I called this play at 77 cents. And I said, if it drops below 70 cents, then I'm out. But I'm looking for a move all the way up to at least the 61.8 level in the 120s, which I gave out very clearly here, and held this overnight. And it didn't do anything in pre-market trading until market open. This thing just rocketed up. Now, initially it went up to 109. I started scaling in the mid 90s and then 105s, and I said I was holding the last of it until 120s to my target. And then this thing flew even higher to 155. So we got an incredibly nice win through this. All guidance was given inside of the Temple of Boom buy alerts channel. And we saw some major winners in here. Then I also wanted to give out a play on market open. So I said that I was bidding 57s and 58s on MGOL, which was just cruising all of pre-market on some UAE news. It was the biggest percentage winner, volume winner. And I was also looking at this on both the 5-minute and 1 hour time frame. We're just watching this thing go in real time. It's probably gonna hit $1 soon. And yeah, it was on the 5-minute chart that I was looking for demand zone. This method for demand zone is, I'm gonna give a big shout out to Tiger Line Trading, because he was the one who actually taught me this whole system where you find the previous 5-minute red candle for a breakout, and then you go ahead and you mark a zone here. So from the top of this wick to the bottom of this wick down, you can see there we have a demand zone. What I also liked is that it was holding its previous pre-market highs. So this resistance was now becoming support here. And I wanted to see another dip down to this level. I also had my 50 EMA marked in the 5-minute chart. So I was like, this gives me a lot of confidence here. So I said that I was bidding in the 57s and 58s. Turns out my order actually got filled at 55 cents, which I think was the low of the day. And then we saw a massive move upward just on this trade for 35% here. Now, if I had held all the way, even after it dipped, held 60s and gone all the way up, see, there we go, above $1, it would have been even more insane. I mean, this is like nearly a 2x trade right now. So those were just two calls that I gave inside of the Temple of Boom community, but I want to also just go ahead and show you just some other incredible trades that were going on. We've got Whoop-de-Woo, who called MGRX yesterday in the 20-cent range. This ended up being a 200% move. We've got some incredible traders here in our swings channel. We had Lucky Duck calling VFS from 480 to 642 yesterday. We've also got our crypto channel here, which Pike Medulla pretty much runs, and we've got a number of other incredible traders on here, all just finding ways to capitalize on these different financial markets. Every single day, we're calling bangers after bangers. So it's an incredible community to be part of, and it's run really, really well by ZZ. So if you want to go ahead and get started, I'm going to be posting the link down below in the description. And also, if you want to go ahead and join. It's on Launch Pass. It's only $15 a month. You can cancel at any time if for some reason it's not going to work out for you. But we have just tons and tons of education in here. It's not just alerts. There's people that are posting stocks that are getting volume before they even move, and then lots of momentum education throughout the day. And yeah, it's really the only place that I like trading with. The community is excellent, and it's perfect for beginner to intermediate or even expert traders. We've got something for everyone. So I hope that was helpful to you. Definitely go ahead and figure out a system of trading that works for you. For me, I just focus on these demand zones. You're able to see, with the proper timing, you can get some really awesome wins quite quickly. But again, always you have to practice your risk management, and none of this is financial advice, just ways that I leverage my own trading styles that are supportive to me. So anywho, I hope you find this helpful, and have a beautiful rest of your day, and may your trading be peaceful and prosperous. Cheers.